What's the meaning of cinder block? Cinder block. Cinder block.
Cinder block. Cinder block. A cinder block is a type of construction material used in building and landscaping. It is made from a combination of cement, ash, and other materials. The blocks are designed to be strong and durable, with a rough texture that makes them good for use in landscaping projects. Cinder blocks are often used to create retaining walls, garden beds, and even outdoor furniture. They are also commonly used in the construction of buildings and homes as they provide a sturdy foundation. Overall, cinder blocks are a versatile and reliable building material widely used in many different applications.